What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Notorious N to the I to the A, and today we are back with another DIY. We are going to be doing the viral glazed donut nails, but at home, because you know I'm a DIY girly. If I could do it myself or figure out a way to do it myself, I'm gonna do it myself. So today we're gonna be doing these nails. Save me some coins. If you follow me on TikTok, you already seen these nails before. These are the nails that we're going to be using today. I will have everything that I use in this video linked down below in the description box. I already have the nails on. I have them shaped and everything. I do have a video on my TikTok of me putting on these same exact nails, as well as another video of me just putting on my press-ons. So I didn't want to be repetitive with that, but I will leave the link for that video in the description box as well. But I just really wanted to get into this DIY glazed donut effect because that's what the girlies are all here for. Let me show you how we're about to do this. Watching a video by Arnell Armand, and I couldn't stop looking at her nails, and I was trying to figure out like what effect that was, and then I realized like, oh, that's the glazed donut effect that everybody's been doing. But how can I do that at home myself? And I came up with, okay, so maybe if I just get my normal press-ons, these are the press-ons that I really like, I've used them multiple times, and just get a gel top coat and some chrome powder and see if I could create that look myself. That's what we're going to be doing today, and I'm pretty excited because I did do a little test and I think it's going to come out exactly how I want it to. Never seen anybody do this before. I'm not saying I came up with it, but I've never seen anybody do this, and when I was looking online I didn't see anybody mention this. I just thought it would be a simple, quick, easy way to get the same effect without spending so much money at the salon, because I have a really bad habit of spending money on my nails just for like a weekend trip or one-time occasion when we don't need to be doing all that. So we're gonna do it at home. I hope you guys are ready. Let's get into it. So what you're gonna need for this DIY, you're gonna need your press-on nails. Honestly, you can use whatever color you want, but just know that if you're going for the look that I'm going for, a white based or a pink based nail would be best. I chose white because of the look that I'm going for, and these are more natural. I also have some chrome powder, which again I got this off of Amazon. I have my top coat, which is going to help the chrome adhere to the nails just like how you would if you were getting a regular acrylic set. And then I also have my UV light, and that's all you need. I really feel like this was a very simple, easy DIY. I mentioned my nails are already done. We're gonna start with my left hand. I'm going to take my top coat and go ahead and put that on the nail, and I'm gonna have this side by side as I'm doing it so you guys can see what I am doing. And I'm gonna just go ahead and paint this on my nail, but I'm gonna do it one by one. So after I get that layer on there, I'm gonna go ahead and cure it, and the light automatically cures for a minute, so you don't really have to do too much. You just let it go and it would cure the nail. After your nail is cured, you're gonna go ahead and make sure it's dry, and you're gonna take your applicator, dip it into the chrome powder like so, and then you're gonna just rub this onto your nail. And then I'm gonna take this glove and just put that on my other hand so I can go ahead and rub it, because that is how you get that chrome effect. You have to rub it. Then I'm gonna go in with another layer top coat and cure this into place just to seal it in. And again, you're going to cure it for another 60 seconds. Super easy. That's really it. After this is done curing, you're done with that nail. So I'm gonna go ahead and complete this hand, and I will let you guys watch as I do that. Another important thing to note with your top coat, make sure that it is a no wipe top coat, because that is what's going to help the chrome adhere to it better. I don't know if you guys can see this, but these two are with the chrome, and then these two are without the chrome. So as you guys can see, that effect, and that is what we want. Okay, this is what one hand looks like when it's done, and as you guys can see, it definitely has that glazed donut effect as opposed to this hand. This is definitely something easy and simple that you could do at home. I'm gonna just finish up this hand now, and yeah, that's gonna be it. Super easy, to the point. Like, look at how good that looks. Yeah, we did that. We did that. Like, babes, you do not have to go to the nail salon for this. You could do this at home, okay? And for relatively inexpensive too. Alright, you guys, so here are our final results. They came out perfect, exactly how I wanted them, exactly what I envisioned. And now I am ready to go see Beyonce. Yes, that's what I was doing these for. Definitely think it's fitting of the Renaissance theme. I thank you guys for watching this video. As always, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and let me know if you will be trying this down below in the comment section. We could chat about that down there. Let me know if you have any questions about anything that I used or anything that I did, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.